Hi, this is RAR. RAR is short for Random Algorithm Video for Music Streaming, and it's my entry for ETH Online 2025. My name is Adi Damola, and I've been a dev on Ethereum for 3 years now. The inspiration for RAR came from quite random numbers. I was really curious about it and how it could be used in a novel use case like music streaming. So I used random numbers as a way to generate algorithm for music listening. So the first way I did that was to use the random seed to generate songs for daily playlists like the family with that updated. And then I also used the random seed to also create a novel game experience, which is the primary feature I want to share with you guys. And that game is called playlisting. Playlisting is based on something we do often every day, and it's creating a file or a mood using a playlist. Come to the app here, and it looks like your typical Spotify app, but it functions differently. For instance, if I click on this, I'm actually clicking on the playlist prompt that will lead me to the game. So I'm going to be prompted now to create songs that fit that particular mode by the algorithm. And what is basically happening now is that I'm calling the contract to generate a random seed that will be used to generate the songs that will populate the library queue of the playlist game. And if I click confirm, the game will be initialized, and a coin will be flipped to determine how I start the game. If I get heads, I start the game with no songs. If I get tails, I start the game with 2 songs. So happens, I start the game with 0 songs, so that means I'll be in discovery mode looking for songs to add to my playlist. And sure enough, I get a song, Bombay by Budge, and I can add that. I can click on the party game, now I have another one. So this is basically the game experience, just like instead of having access to all the songs you can use to create a playlist, now you are constrained to just one song at a time, and you have to make a decision. You want to add a song or you want to pass a song. There are also other features for, rearranging the playlist or just choosing to pause. At this point, I can just submit to the gallery because of time. So the way the game was designed was that I also used the hexadecimal string, which is 64 characters in length, to create an ID 64 song queue. So each game has something like an ID 64 song queue, or ideally should have a 64 song queue. And those queue of songs is now constrained further by another game technique. So if the next character in the string is a number, you get a song in the card with you. The next character in the alphabet, you don't get a song. We didn't see that in the game, but that's the way it works, basically. So this is how the game was made. Something else I can't show you guys because of time is the playlist repetition NFT, and it's just the way of introducing randomness once again into playlist repetition. So how popular a playlist becomes is not just because of how many people listen to it or how many people like it when they vote for it, but also a bit of randomness, decay the function and make it more, exciting. So yeah, all the songs basically, and the songs are created by different users, ideally for a particular mode. So when you come on the platform and you search for a particular mode or a particular vibe, you get a lot of playlists by different listeners. Typical experience on Spotify and everywhere. The only difference is that the way the playlist was created is different this time around, and that's what I'm going to share with you guys. A different way of listening to music, a different way of finding music and curating. And I hope you guys like it. The next thing for us is obviously to find users like you that is listening right now. And if enough people like it, would like to make this a multiplayer game. So instead, when you pass a song, you're actually passing the song to the next person. And if we reach enough critical mass, we'll be going to win this. And that is all for me. I hope you like this and I hope you try it out on the website. And I'll be seeing you guys very soon. Bye.